if you're scared of zips, or if you can't even think about sewing buttonholes, today I'm bringing you 3 ideas for cushions without any closures. It's super important to decorate your house following your personality, your taste, and I've been collecting cushions from the house because we need cushions on the sofa. One of them was mine when I was little. It's all faded. So today, let's do this. I was just saying that sewing is not just a hobby, it's much more. It's a way of reflecting your personality in everything you like. And if you're new around here, of course, my name is Irene and I like sewing about anything. So subscribe, like, hit the bell button, and that way you don't miss anything. And the first one we're going to make, it's an all closed cushion. I mean, I'm going to sew it all around and not leave any zip or anything or any opening because this is ideal for cushions that are much more decorative, that you don't wash that often. So I'm going to do that, but first I'm going to sew together these little pieces, right size together. I'm going to use a purple thread because one of the pieces is purple and as part of the design, and I'm going to top stitch the seams because this fabric is quite sturdy, quite strong, so that way it settles, the seams settle nicely. And I'm going to be doing it a single on the sides and then a double one in the middle, just to give it something. And now it's time to sew the cushion right sides together, leaving one of the sides open to put it right sides out and to put the filling in. Let's do some top stitching. Y ahora es momento de coser el cosín. I'm going to use a purple thread because one of the pieces is purple and as part of the design, and I'm going to top stitch the seams because this fabric is quite sturdy, quite strong, so that way it settles, the seams settle nicely. And I'm going to be doing it a single on the sides and then a double one in the middle, just to give it something. And now it's time to sew the cushion right sides together, leaving one of the sides open to put it right sides out and to put the filling in. Super important to cut and trim our corners. I know there's a little tool to put things right size out, but I haven't got it. So really carefully with scissors. And then this last cushion, we can decide to do it by hand or with the machine, but I'm allergic to sewing by hand, so let's do it with the machine. But what happens if it gets a stain? You can wipe it, or if not, you can even think of ripping the seam open, taking it off, and once you've done cleaning it, put it back on, because you're the one who sews. And the second one is this big cushion. It was part of a bedspread, and I've been beating it because the foam is a bit sturdy. And I have this beautiful velvet that I was pin tacking the other day. It looks really nice, and thinking about it, it would be lovely to do it, all of it, imagine. And because it is a square, I did it all around, because I'm going to, I'm going to fold it. Cuando pongo esto delante, mi madre, the light. Well, and you know, I always tell you everything I do right, everything I do wrong. And for this one, for the design, I didn't take into account that for a sort of pillowcase cushion, it's much better to have two panels, two pieces, instead of just one, because you don't have anywhere to sew your piece of fabric too, so it's much more difficult. So for this one, ay mi madre qué grande. Y esto va para adentro y ya. Ay, las hebras, por favor. ¡Wow! Monísimo. Súper. Súper, y con hebras. ¡Ay! And for the last one, we have an envelope cushion. And for this cushion, you're going to need 3 pieces of fabric, one the size of your cushion, and then 2 that have to be 3/4 of the cushion at least, so it closes properly where the opening is. I have this beautiful fabric from when I did the bed cover, and the first thing we're going to do is to hem the 2 back sides. As always, when you sew something with corners, to get around the corner, just lift the needle in so you can lift the presser foot, and then go on with your sewing. And on the bits that have the envelope, the closing, and on the 2 envelope bits, what I did is that I made sure I sew it really carefully, and I made a few seams so it was nicely done. And here it is. Well, these are the cushions. Let me know down in the comments which one you like best. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you around. Bye!